Bitcoin, the world's leading cryptocurrency, has been making headlines, smashing records, and fueling debates. But what lies ahead for BTC in 2025? Let's dive into the latest market insights and expert predictions. As of late 2024, Bitcoin has been on a rollercoaster. Following its halving event in April 2024, BTC reached a new all-time high of over $95,000 in November. Analysts predict this halving will set the stage for the next bull run, as reduced supply traditionally drives prices higher. Many experts are bullish. Some foresee Bitcoin reaching $150,000 to $200,000 by 2025, driven by institutional adoption, mainstream recognition as digital gold, and a growing interest in decentralized finance. In fact, Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has gone even bolder, suggesting Bitcoin could hit an astounding $500,000 by 2025, citing increasing distrust in fiat currencies. But not everyone shares the same enthusiasm. Some predictions are more moderate, forecasting Bitcoin to trade between $83,000 and $155,000. Factors like regulatory changes, global economic conditions, and technological challenges could temper growth. Several factors will shape Bitcoin's 2025 price. The April 2024 halving reduced miner rewards, limiting new supply. Institutional players like BlackRock are eyeing Bitcoin ETFs, which could bring billions into the market. Meanwhile, supportive policies and mainstream adoption are fueling optimism. Remember, Bitcoin's volatility is both its allure and its challenge. While some see a clear path to six-figure valuations, others caution that global economic instability or harsh regulations could lead to setbacks. Diversification and risk management remain key. So, will Bitcoin soar to $500,000 or settle at more conservative highs? The answer lies in a mix of market trends, global events, and innovation. Stay tuned as this financial revolution unfolds. Don't miss out on the latest crypto insights. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates.